All right, I have to explain to someone how to use ForScan to monitor and control circuits in their vehicle. So I figured I'd make a video and explain it to everybody as quickly as possible. So in this case, my laptop is already connected to my truck, and this will work for any Ford vehicle. We're using this program, and ForScan is already connected. Hopefully you can make it to this stage on your own. And this video is going to be posted on the ForScan forum, so I would assume that most people know how to get to this point. Now I'm going to go to the Read PID tab right here, the one here that looks like an oscilloscope. And I like to do this from the table view, so you can have by default it goes to this dashboard view and the data is kind of cluttered. I like to do this from a table view. So down here in the bottom, there's a Setup All Gauges tab, the one that looks like a little setup icon down here. Setup All Gauges. I'm going to open this, and for this example, I'm going to use my reverse lamps. So I'm going to type in reverse lamp to do a quick search. Reverse lamp. So this, if you can see here, it says module BCM. The type is read. I started typing in reverse lamp into the filter. Reverse lamps came up. Once you have reverse lamps selected, you have to select this little arrow right here to confirm that you are selecting this PID to read. Now, at this point, we are only reading this PID. You can read the PID, which is good if you're going to use your park lever and physically shift into reverse and you want to monitor the circuit in the real world. But you can also control it from ForScan. A lot of people might not know how to do this. So we're going to read the reverse lamp circuit, but we're also going to control the reverse lamp circuit. So yes, we're going to save this. We're going to save which PID we're going to read. But now we're in BCM, and under type we have control selected. So I'm going to type in reverse, and reverse lamp comes up. So again, you have to select a little arrow here, select this PID. It will move it into the selected PID list. So this is the selected PID we're going to control. So we have our control PID list, and we have our read PID list. Yes, I want to save this. So read PID will be reverse lamp circuit, and control PID will be reverse lamp circuit. We want to control and monitor the same circuit. Once you have this dialog box to your liking and you have your selected control and read PIDs the way you would like set up, click on the little check mark down here at the bottom. When you get to this stage, you will have your PID read status. So right here it says inactive. In order to control the circuit, let me make this a little bit better to read. In order to control the circuit, we have to compile the code. So let's go down to the compile button down here in the bottom, and it says start live data. So start live data. So here, if I physically shift into reverse, this status will change from inactive to active. I'm going to show you that here now. So if I shift into reverse, it says active. Backup camera comes on, right? And I'm in the reverse. So let's push it back into park. Now, that's convenient if you're sitting in your driver's seat, but if you want to get out of your truck and if you want to check on your reverse lamp bulbs, let's say you're doing a halogen to LED conversion and you want to check on your bulbs and it's daylight and you need to get out of your truck, let's do this the safe way. So I still have the PID here. We're still in the monitor live data mode. The play button is still selected. And down here beside our current time, our real-time data clock, there's a control button. And this will bring up the control window. So from the control window, from here, it says the circuit that you selected to control, right, earlier that we set up. And we can select if we want to activate that circuit or deactivate that circuit. So this is convenient if you want to activate that circuit. My reverse lamps are on. So you can get out of the truck and safely go check to see if your bulbs are inactive or active. And you also have a live state here to see, in case if you have a defective bulb, whether or not that circuit is live or not. So ForScan is useful for more things than just programming your vehicle. It's a very useful diagnostic tool, and I just want to explain to some of you some of these features that are here which you may not know how to use.